Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working with the modern Christmas paper, and oh my gosh, is it gorgeous. We've got this gold foil. So this one has gold foil berries with black and white decorations. Got these beautiful stars on black, white ornaments on a gold background, gold and black trees on white. This one, I love this one. Circles on a black background with gold diamonds in the middle. And then this stripe. Oh, the stripe is just gorgeous. And then on the back side of this paper is much more subtle designs. We've got a couple Christmassy ones, but then a couple that could really be anything. So this is a lovely, lovely paper. And I used it in my modern Christmas cards with Christmas scrap with Robin. 3 2-page layouts. So we've got jingle bells, and I've got gold foil everywhere on this workshop. Looking to cheer in the new year. And then we've got some sleigh rides and jingle bells and hot chocolate. So make sure you reserve this workshop and so you can document your memories. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.